Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm taking a look at and unboxing the Raptic Rise power stand. It comes with a whopping 12 watts of wireless charging power. We're going to give you some details on the back. You can go ahead and pause this video and take a look at any time of what it has to offer. It's a headphone stand, but it also offers that cool wireless charging base down here at the bottom that's missing from all these headphone charging stands out there. And the build quality is actually pretty nice. So we'll get to unboxing this now. So here we are. This is the Rise power stand. It comes with several pieces of metal for the stand itself. So very solid construction, and it even includes the power adapter that you need. So this is a USB Type-C power adapter. It provides the power necessary to handle 12 watts of wireless charging out of this base unit here. This is very solidly made. I like the materials used. It's plastic on the bottom, but very nice metal and thick metal on the top. This is a rubberized, almost leather looking base with the coils, and here are the charging ports underneath. They're kind of hard to see, but they're buried deep inside for the cable management, which is nice to keep your cable nice and straight and clean on your desk. So this is the base unit right there. And then they also give you the cabling needed for charging. So all the pieces are in here that you need for the stand. And it goes underneath right here. It actually slips into the back. I'll show you how that works. So right here, it just screws in like that. And there you have your headphone stand. Now there's one piece that goes on top as well for the remainder. But this is the Rise Raptic power stand, providing a whopping 12 watts of wireless charging power. So you can charge your headphones, your smartphone, and a bunch of other things that have wireless capabilities. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram and on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.